Look! Outside. The window is wet. It's because it's raining. And it's dark out. Well, it's not like it's nighttime. It's only because there's clouds. Rain clouds, right? But don't forget to like and subscribe. And make sure to hit the follow button. I know, I can say follow. But remember, you can write in the comments down below. But most videos don't even have comments. Do they? Well, actually, some of them don't. Right? And, like, if some comments exist on some videos. Okay? So, anyways, hope you enjoy this video.